Hi, this is Rob, one of your FSCJ Adult Education Academic Tutors, and in this video we are going to talk about the greatest common factor. So the largest number both numbers share or more is a factor, and a factor factors are numbers that are multiplied together to get a product. So now we're going to go through and find some greatest common factors. So the first pair of numbers that we are going to find our greatest common factor for are 5 and 10. We're going to list out the factors of both numbers one at a time. Our factors of 5 are 1 and 5. We have listed our factors. Now we're going to move on to 10 and list out our factors of 10, which are 1, 2, 5, and 10. Now that we have both sets of factors listed, we may compare the lists, and we see 1 is on both lists and 1 will be on every list. However, 1 is not a useful factor. But we see 5 is on both lists, so our greatest common factor for 5 and 10 is 5. Our next set of numbers to find the greatest common factor of is 12 and 16. So let's talk about our factors of 12. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Notice on our list of factors for 12, the halfway point, 6, there's only one factor after, and that is the number itself. That's just how factors work. Now let's look at our factors of 16. They are 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. So we look at our list, we see both lists share 1 and 2. However, there is a bigger number, and that is 4. So our greatest common factor of 12 and 16 is 4. And the final set we are going to examine are 9 and 27. So our factors for 9 are 1, 3, and 9. Our factors for 27 are 1, 3, 9, and 27. And 27. So now we look at both lists. We see they share 1 and 3, but they also share 9, which is greater than 1 or 3. Thus, our greatest common factor for 9 and 27 is 9. This is how we find the greatest common factor. We will see this used in a number of places in math, notably fractions, and we will talk more about them then. Thank you, and keep learning.